Hey Smart Algo family, welcome back to the channel. We're excited to share some amazing updates we've made to the Smart Algo indicator and the Smart Oscillator. We've been working hard to make your trading experience better, and today I'll explain all the new features and improvements we've added. Don't forget, once we hit 1,000 followers on Instagram and YouTube, we'll be giving away 2 lucky followers a free lifetime membership. Anyways, let's start with the first major update, the upgraded stop loss and take profit levels. In our previous version, you had limited control over these settings. Now, you can set multiple take profit and stop loss levels, customize the label sizes, and adjust the offset. This gives you more detailed and customizable risk management. You can now set up to 3 different levels for both take profit and stop loss. This lets you lock in profits at different stages of a price move. You can also customize the size of the labels and the offset to make your chart cleaner and more visually appealing. Next, we've made some big improvements to the support and resistance lines based on your feedback. These lines now stretch out to follow the price action more effectively, giving you a clearer picture of market movements without having to zoom out all the time. This helps you better identify potential reversal points and key areas of interest. By extending the lines to follow the price action, we've made sure you have a more accurate and reliable tool for technical analysis. This is especially useful in markets where price movements can be unpredictable. We've also updated the look of the Smart Cloud. We've added a solid bullish or bearish line on the edge of the cloud, making it easier to identify the overall trend direction. This new feature gives you a clear visual cue, helping you quickly determine whether the market is in a bullish or bearish phase. This update is especially helpful for traders who rely on visual cues to make quick decisions. Additionally, we've introduced a trend setting to adjust the cloud to your particular time frame. For example, the extremely fast trend is ideal for very low time frame scalping. The fast trend suits the lower time frame, and the long trend is the basic Smart Cloud setting. Another big change is the new trend panel. We've combined the strength panel and trend panel into one comprehensive design. The new trend panel includes a unique star system to help you quickly assess market conditions. The star system rates the trend strength and direction on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. For example, if the market strength is above 80 and we have bullish momentum with the cloud indicating an uptrend, you'll see a 5-star rating. Here's a list explaining exactly what the stars indicate. We'll leave this list in the description box below. The star system helps you quickly gauge the strength and direction of the market, making it easier to make fast, informed decisions by having everything on one board. Lastly, we've removed the moving average lines from the oscillator due to performance issues. This change ensures a smoother and more accurate representation of market oscillations. Removing the moving average lines has reduced the clutter and improved the overall performance of the oscillator, making it more responsive and easier to use. This update is particularly beneficial for traders who rely on the oscillator for timing their entries and exits, as it now provides a clearer and more accurate signal. These updates were designed by our team to enhance your trading experience and provide more flexibility and clarity in your analysis. At the end of the day, your feedback is extremely valuable to us, and we encourage you to keep sharing your thoughts and suggestions. We hope you find these updates as exciting and useful as we do. Thank you for being a part of the Smart Algo community. We're excited to see how these updates will help you in your trading. Remember, your feedback is crucial, so keep sharing your thoughts and suggestions with us. Happy trading, everyone.